AVPN is the network of funders and resource providers, and our mission is to drive capital towards impact. AVPN is in a continent where wealth is being created faster than anywhere else in the world. There is an enormous opportunity for newly created wealth holders to create social impact, to actually leave behind a far more socially inclusive society.
Today, we recognize that the problems that we're facing are so complex and systemic that collaboration and knowledge sharing is absolutely critical more than ever before.
So AVPN is really important for Asia to help build that knowledge and to build that infrastructure to support players who are moving into philanthropy and investing, social investing, impact investing, doing it in a more organized, strategic, effective way, rewriting the rulebook for how we solve problems.
AVPN has members from 33 different countries, and we have market representatives in 11 of those markets to engage with key members within those ecosystems.
这些会员他们的背景都是非常多元的，我们可以看到有很多的慈善组织，有基金会，有慈善家，也有这个在一线工作的非常创新的社会组织。
AVPN is the biggest network right now in connecting different impact capital owners.
We're doing it by breaking down boundaries and preconceptions about who can do what to solve what problems. You have access to this strength of regional resources as well as, global expertise that's coming into Asia.
When we think about how we're creating value for our members, we look at connecting them to one another to find collaboration and knowledge sharing opportunities. We look at providing learning opportunities for them, and we also provide them leadership opportunities. And we do this through a number of products and services. Our DealShare platform is how we allow members to share the organizations that they have invested in with the broader network to help with due diligence and deal sourcing. We also have our Knowledge Center where we provide insights for members to think about how they can be investing better, how they can maximize the impact. And then we think about ways that our members can connect to policymakers through our Asia Policy Forum, or how we can use our platform to really drive actionable opportunities to get it out in front of investors.
I believe very strongly that we all want to do better. I also believe that we need a community in order to do better well.
Nothing in the world exists in isolation. We cannot achieve anything on our own. It's equally important that you have the right collaboration at the right time for the right reason. And that's where AVPN comes in with support and plays the role of an enabler.
AVPN provides the platform as well as a framework where social investors come in, they can learn, they can benefit from learnings from one another, and essentially not repeat challenges or mistakes encountered by other organizations and move on the journey towards collective impact.
To make capital work better.
AVPN creates a multiplier effect. The money that's invested actually can go a lot farther when you're working with the right partners and you're tapping into an entire community's worth of insights.
It is not about just getting people in a room. It's actually getting people in a room with a mission, with a clear objective, and with a plan on achieving that objective.
AVPN members are choosing to be part of this powerful network because they're looking for opportunities to connect with other organizations and investors that have similar goals in mind, that are looking at solving similar problems in the region.
If we are to help drive multi-sector collaboration, if we are to bring together government, private sector capital, and civil society, it is almost impossible to do that without the existence of a network. Although AVPN has had a meteoric rise, I think we are still scratching the surface.
We feel that our work has just begun, and we think that the future looks bright given the openness in terms of the post-pandemic recovery, and we look to seize that opportunity to have an impact.
If we are to build back better towards a more equal society, that we actually see the deployment of capital in both a strategic and impactful manner.
Yang akan kami katakan terhadap para pemangku kepentingan, sudah saatnya kita bergerak bersama untuk mencapai keberdampakan sosial yang efektif dan efisien.
AVPN created a very good platform for all of us to come together and reassemble into a new form of vehicles to rethink what we have been doing in the past, recollecting all these efforts for the future.
I'm also really excited that Asia is now becoming more of a leader in those efforts.
Be part of a community that believes in action together.